In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create an organizational chart in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, click right here on Create. Now, we're going to use ClickUp templates to make things easier. So, make sure that you're on ClickUp templates. Then, do not add all template types. From here, search organizational chart. You should see different templates provided by ClickUp. Choose one, then let's add a name and on which project should it be created. Now, wait for ClickUp to add it right here on your left panel. And as you can see, you now have a fully functional org chart that you can edit and customize. Put in the names of your members right here, their positions right here. So, very easy. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.